Ready to upgrade your adventures and travel smarter, not harder? Today, we're diving into the top 20 smart travel gadgets on Amazon for stress-free adventures. From futuristic tools that simplify packing to clever devices that make every journey smoother. Stick around till the end, because these unique gadgets aren't just cool. They'll transform the way you travel and save you time, space, and stress like never before. Number 1. Forge TS, a approved cable luggage locks. Traveling hassle-free starts with secure luggage, and the Forge TSA approved cable luggage locks make it effortless. Designed with a sturdy alloy body and resettable combination, these locks protect your belongings while allowing TSA inspections without damage. The flexible steel cable fits a wide range of bags from carry-ons to checked luggage. Lightweight yet durable, they're perfect for frequent travelers seeking peace of mind. Stylish, practical, and easy to use, these locks are a must-have for safe and worry-free travel adventures. Number 2. Hibag. 12-pack travel compression bags maximize your packing space with the Hibag 12-pack travel compression bags. Perfect for suitcases, backpacks, or storage. These vacuum seal bags reduce bulk and keep your clothes organized. Made from durable, leak-resistant material, they protect garments from moisture, dust, and wrinkles. Each set includes multiple sizes for versatile packing needs. Ideal for long trips, family vacations, or seasonal storage, these bags make packing stress-free. Lightweight and reusable, Hibag compression bags are the ultimate travel companion for neat, efficient, and hassle-free organization. Number 3. Bagsmart 2-pack clear toiletry bag. Keep your toiletries organized and TSA compliant with the Bagsmart 2-pack clear toiletry bags. Made from durable, water-resistant material, these quart-sized bags fit carry-ons perfectly, ensuring easy airport inspections. The transparent design makes locating items quick and convenient, while the sturdy zippers prevent leaks. Ideal for makeup, skincare, or travel essentials, these bags simplify packing and prevent spills. Lightweight, practical, and reusable, the Bagsmart Clear Toiletry Bags are a stylish, functional solution for travelers seeking convenience, organization, and peace of mind. Number 4. Rumilla Adjustable Luggage Straps Belt. Secure your luggage in style with the Rumilla Adjustable Luggage Straps Belt. Made from strong, durable material, these straps prevent accidental openings during transit. The adjustable design fits all suitcase sizes, while the bright colors enhance visibility at baggage claims. Easy-to-use buckles make attaching and removing the straps quick and hassle-free. Perfect for frequent travelers, families, or anyone seeking extra security, these straps reduce stress and protect your belongings. Lightweight, practical, and durable, the Rumilla luggage straps are an essential travel accessory for safe, organized trips. Number 5. Silicone Travel Bottle Covers. Leak-proof travel with confidence using silicone travel bottle covers. Leak-proof. Designed to prevent messy spills, these covers fit most standard bottles and are made from flexible, durable silicone. Ideal for toiletries, lotions, or shampoos, they ensure your bag stays clean and organized. Lightweight and reusable, these covers are perfect for carry-on luggage, camping, or road trips. Easy to apply and remove, they provide reliable protection while traveling. With leak-proof security and practical design, silicone bottle covers are a must-have accessory for worry-free and stress-free packing. Number 6. Somine Airplane Pocket Organizer Bag. Keep all your essentials within reach during flights with the Somine Airplane Pocket Organizer Bag. Designed for convenience, this compact organizer fits tablets, headphones, passports, and other travel necessities. Durable and lightweight, it attaches easily to airplane seats, ensuring everything is accessible and organized. Perfect for frequent flyers or long-haul trips, it prevents clutter while maximizing space. With its practical compartments and sleek design, the Somine Organizer enhances travel comfort, making your journey smoother, more organized, and stress-free, whether for work, leisure, or family adventures. Number 7. Taygeer Carry-On Travel Backpack with USB. Stay connected on the go with the Taygeer Carry-On Travel Backpack with USB. This versatile backpack features multiple compartments for laptops, gadgets, and travel essentials, keeping items organized and secure. The built-in USB charging port lets you power devices conveniently during transit. Made from durable, water-resistant materials, it withstands everyday travel wear and tear. Lightweight, ergonomic, and stylish, it's ideal for business trips, school, or vacations. The Taygeer backpack combines functionality and modern design, making it the perfect companion for tech-savvy travelers seeking convenience, organization, and comfort. Number 8. Napfun Memory Foam Travel Neck Pillow. Travel comfortably with the Napfun Memory Foam Travel Neck Pillow. Designed to support your neck and shoulders, this pillow reduces strain during long flights, train rides, or road trips. Made from soft, high-density memory foam, it conforms to your unique shape, providing personalized comfort. The breathable, washable cover ensures freshness and easy maintenance. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for carry-on luggage or backpacking adventures. Whether for napping on the go or relaxing during transit, the Napfun Travel Pillow delivers superior comfort, making every journey more restful and enjoyable. Number 9. Grace Stella Under Eye Brightener Roller. Revitalize tired eyes with the Grace Stella Under Eye Brightener Roller. This soothing roller targets dark circles, puffiness, and fatigue, delivering a refreshing boost with every use. Enriched with nourishing ingredients, it hydrates and brightens delicate under-eye skin. The cooling metal tip enhances circulation while providing gentle massage, making it ideal for morning routines or post-travel recovery. Compact and easy to carry, it fits effortlessly into any travel bag. Grace Stella's Under-Eye Roller is a must-have beauty essential, offering instant refreshment, rejuvenation, and a well-rested appearance anytime, anywhere. Number 10. Touchland Hydrating Hand Sanitizer Trio Set. Keep your hands clean and moisturized with the Touchland Hydrating Hand Sanitizer Trio Set. Each spray combines powerful sanitizing protection with hydrating ingredients, preventing dryness and irritation. Perfect for on-the-go use, these compact bottles fit easily in pockets, purses, or backpacks. The Trio Set ensures you always have sanitizer available at work, school, or while traveling. Fast-absorbing and pleasantly scented, it's effective without leaving sticky residue. Touchland's Hand Sanitizer Trio offers convenience, hygiene, and care, making it an essential companion for health-conscious travelers and anyone seeking clean, refreshed hands anytime. Number 11. Ouai Anti-Frizz Travel Size Hair Cream. Keep your hair smooth and polished on the go with Ouai Anti-Frizz Travel Size Hair Cream. This lightweight formula tames frizz, controls flyaways, and adds shine without weighing hair down. Perfect for travel or quick touch-ups, the compact tube fits easily in purses or carry-ons. Infused with nourishing ingredients, it protects hair from humidity while leaving it soft and manageable. Whether for business trips, vacations, or daily use, Ouai's Travel Hair Cream ensures your hair looks sleek, healthy, and effortlessly stylish anywhere, anytime. Number 12. Band-Aid Portable Travel First Aid Kit 80 pieces. Be prepared for minor injuries with the Band-Aid Portable Travel First Aid Kit. This compact kit includes 80 essential pieces, such as bandages, antiseptic wipes, and gauze pads, all neatly organized for on-the-go use. Perfect for travel, sports, camping, or daily emergencies, it fits easily in backpacks, purses, or luggage. Lightweight yet durable, it ensures you have quick access to first aid essentials whenever needed. Reliable and convenient, the Band-Aid Travel Kit provides peace of mind, keeping you ready for life's little accidents while on the move. Number 13. Q-Tips Travel Swabs Pack 30 Count. Maintain personal hygiene effortlessly with the Q-Tips Travel Swabs Pack 30 Count. Ideal for on-the-go cleaning, touch-ups, or makeup adjustments, these individually packed swabs keep your routine sanitary and convenient. Compact and lightweight, they fit easily into purses, carry-ons, or toiletry bags. Gentle yet effective, Q-Tips are perfect for ears, cosmetics, or small cleaning tasks while traveling. Practical, portable, and disposable. These travel swabs ensure you stay fresh and prepared wherever your adventures take you, combining hygiene, convenience, and reliability in one handy pack. Number 14. Downy Travel Wrinkle Release Spray 3 ounces. Keep clothes looking crisp with Downy Travel Wrinkle Release Spray 3 ounces. This convenient spray smooths wrinkles and freshens fabrics without ironing, perfect for travel or last-minute outfit fixes. The compact bottle easily fits in carry-ons, handbags, or luggage, making it ideal for business trips, vacations, or quick touch-ups. Safe for most fabrics, it eliminates wrinkles and odors while restoring garments' freshness. Lightweight and effective, Downy's Travel Wrinkle Release Spray ensures your clothes look polished and presentable wherever you go, adding confidence and convenience to every journey. Number 15. Listerine Pocket Packs Cool Mint Breath Strips. Stay fresh on the go with Listerine Pocket Packs Cool Mint Breath Strips. These ultra-thin, dissolvable strips provide instant freshness and confidence, anytime, anywhere. Perfect for travel, meetings, or social occasions, they fit neatly into pockets, purses, or bags. Each strip releases a burst of cool mint flavor while effectively combating bad breath. Lightweight, discreet, and easy to use, Listerine Pocket Packs are a must-have accessory accessory for busy travelers or anyone seeking instant oral freshness. Keep your breath confidently minty and your smile ready for every moment on the move. Number 16. Estour Compact Travel Toiletry Bag for Men. Organize your essentials with the Estour Compact Travel Toiletry Bag for Men. Designed with multiple compartments, this durable, water-resistant bag holds toiletries, grooming tools, and personal items securely. Its sleek, minimalist design makes it perfect for carry-ons, luggage, or weekend trips. Lightweight, yet spacious, it keeps items accessible and neatly arranged, reducing packing stress. Ideal for daily use or travel, the Estour toiletry bag ensures convenience, durability, and style, making it a practical solution for men who want organized, efficient, and worry-free travel experiences wherever they go. Number 17. Sidewinder Fuse Reel MacBook Charger Organizer. Tidy up your tech with the Sidewinder Fuse Reel MacBook Charger Organizer. This compact, innovative accessory keeps your MacBook charging cable neat, preventing tangles and damage. Easy to use, the reel allows effortless winding and unwinding of cords. Perfect for travel, work, or school. Lightweight and durable, it fits in backpacks or laptop bags, making it ideal for frequent travelers or remote workers. With the Sidewinder Fuse Reel, your MacBook charger stays organized, protected, and ready to use anytime, combining convenience, functionality, and style in a small, smart design. Number 18. Soundcore by Anker Liberty 4NC Wireless Earbuds. Experience premium sound on the go with Soundcore by Anker Liberty 4NC Wireless Earbuds. Featuring active noise cancellation, high-fidelity audio, and long battery life, these earbuds are perfect for travel, workouts, or daily commutes. Lightweight and ergonomic, they fit comfortably for hours, while the sleek charging case ensures portability. Quick pairing and intuitive controls make usage effortless. Whether listening to music, podcasts, or taking calls, the Liberty 4NC earbuds deliver clear, immersive sound. Ideal for travelers seeking convenience, comfort, and cutting-edge audio technology anywhere. Number 19. Fomin Antibacterial Travel Paper Soap Sheets 300 pieces. Stay hygienic anywhere with Fomin Antibacterial Travel Paper Soap Sheets 300 pieces. Compact and lightweight, these single-use sheets dissolve instantly in water, providing easy hand washing without bulky soap. Perfect for travel, camping, or outdoor adventures. They're convenient for hotels, airports, or public spaces. Each sheet contains antibacterial properties to cleanse and protect hands effectively. The portable design fits wallets, purses, or backpacks, making hygiene simple on the go. Fomin travel soap sheets combine safety, convenience, and efficiency, ensuring clean hands anytime while keeping luggage light and organized. Number 20. Shout Travel Stain Remover Wipes 12-pack. Tackle stains instantly with Shout Travel Stain Remover Wipes 12-pack. Perfect for on-the-go emergencies, these pre-moistened wipes remove dirt, food, and beverage stains from clothing quickly and effectively. Compact and portable, they fit easily into purses, backpacks, or carry-ons. Ideal for travel, work, or dining out. They save time and prevent stains from setting. Convenient, fast-acting, and safe on fabrics, Shout Travel Wipes are essential for maintaining clean, fresh-looking clothes anywhere. They provide peace of mind for travelers who want reliable stain removal without hassle. That's a wrap on the top 20 smart travel gadgets on Amazon for stress-free adventures. Which gadget will upgrade your next trip? Comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more travel hacks.